Hello my students, grade 4, how are you? Today we'll explain from your book ENVISION Math volume number 1. Lesson number 2, place value relationships. We studied before the value and place value by the digits. Like this number, we have 35,721. This number, write in standard form. We can convert from a standard form to an expanded form by write the value of all digits. 1 lies in the ones. Then we can write here 1, 8, 2 lies in the tens, and 7 lies in the hundred place, and 5 right in the thousand, and 3 lies in 10,000. We call the expanded form, and we write the name of this number name, write 35,721. 35,721. Okay, today we'll explain more examples like this about division 10, product by 10, and so on. Like if we have 55 product by 10, we must put 0 behind the number. The result will be 550. And the inverse about the operation, 550 divided by 10, it will be 55. We can cancel 0 by 0 here. Okay, understood? Look at here about this page number 9, hundreds like this. Page. Last time we solved this example. Okay, number what here, this example about use place value blocks, page number 10. Okay, blocks, we have the blocks here like this. We have 100 and this 1000, this cube, because 100 times 10 equal 1000. The number of rows here 10, the number of vertical we have here 10 times 100 equal 1000. The volume of cube length times width times height, 10 times 10 times 10 equal 1000. Okay, and 100 is 1/10 of 1000, because 1000 divided by 10 equal 100. Next question here, we want to find or write use place value block model 1, 10 and 100 and 100 and 1000. What pattern do you see? The simple answer here, we can write a digit at one places represent 10 times what it represents the place to the right. Understood? Like if we have 35,721, the value of digit 2 here, it will be 20, and the value of digit 7, it will be 700. But if we have the same numbers like this number 1, 1, 1 and so on, 11,111, the value of digit 1 here in the hundreds place will be 100. It will be 10 times the value of digit here by right hand side, 10, 1 here, the place value of digit 1, 1. It will be in the less than 10 will be 10. Then the value of digit 1 will be 100. It's equivalent 10 times the value of digit 1 in the tens place. Understood? Then you can write a digit in one place represent 10 times what it represents in the place to its right. Understood? Next examples, look at here with me. This example here, problem. What can you say about 3's in this number 43,162 and 75,398? Who can tell me? We know the value of digit 3 here, it will be 3000. The value digit 3 here, it will be 300, and we know 3000 is equivalent. The value here 3000 is the first number, 3000, and the value of digit 3 is the next number, 75,398, it will be 300. And we know 3000 equal 300 product by 10. And the value of digit 3 is the first number equal 10 times the value of digit 3 is the second number. So what is the exactly the simple answer you can write? Write the simple answer here about question number 6. Simple answer, the value of digit 3 is the thousand place is 10 times as great as the value of 3 in the number in hundreds place. Okay, this answer. But we have last questions about question number 5 and 4 and 3 and 1. Next page. Look at here this page first. This first page was 10, next page was 11. Okay, now I will explain page number 11 page. We know 2000 equal 10 times 200, and 2000 times 10 it will be 20,000. Understood? Okay, complete with me. 10 times 10, 100. Understand? Do you understand? Okay. Question number 1. The value of digit 2 in the number 23,406 times as great as the value of 3. Explain. Who can tell me the value of digit 2 in the 20,000? And if we product this number, the value of digit 3, it will be 3,000. If we product this number by 10, it will be 30,000. Is 20,000 greater than 30,000? No. No. Okay, the simple answer here, you can raise the digit half to the same number. We must raise the same number to be equality. He asked about the value of digit 2 here equals the value of digit 3 here. The answer, no, because we have the different digits. We must have the same digits. If we have here 2 and 2, then the value of digit 2 here, it will be 20,000, it will be like 20,000 if we change 3 to 2, okay? But in this example, we have different digits. Then, the solution here, you must write this word, and why? Because the digit have to be the same for the value of one digit to be 10 times as great as the value of the other. Okay? Understood? This example, the value of digit 2 in the number, it will be 20,000. 20,000, and the value of digit 3 is 3,000 product by 10, 30,000. He asked about, is 20,000 greater than the value of 30,000? No. The digit have to be the same. We must write the same to be equality. Okay. Then it's simple answer. You can write this. The digit have to be the same for the value of one digit to be 10 times as great as the value of the other. Question number 2. For number 2, use the relationship between the value of the digit to solve. Write number in which the value of 3 times greater than the number in the value. We have this number, the value of digit 3 here was what? Was 30,000. Okay, the value of digit 3 here, it will be 30,000. And he won't find what? Write a number in which the value of the 3 is 10 times greater than the value of digit number. So we must write the number here greater than this. It will be like 300,000. Okay, you can write 319 and 126,000 because the value of digit 3 here, it will be 300,000. 300,000 is 10 times 30,000. Then the answer here will be 319,126. Okay, this answer here, you must write the number and the value of digit 3 here, it will be 10 times greater than the value of the digit 3 in this number. Like 3 lies in 100,000. Okay. Next question number 3. Question number 3. Proceed to find the relation between the values of the digit to solve. Passage calls district put 5,000 pencils. The R distribution pencils eventually to 10 schools in the district. How many pencils will each school get? We can write the total number 5,000 divided by 10. 5,000 divided by 10, we can cancel 0 by 0, then the result will be 500. Okay, 500. Then the number of pencils will be 500. Next question. Number 4. Place elementary school is raising number. They raise $90 a week. How long will take them to raise $900? How many weeks we can divide the total number of money? $900 divided by 90. We can cancel 0 by 0 and 90 divided by 9 equal 10. then the result will be $10. Next, question number 5. A donation of 50 rules was given to Value Elementary Schools. The school had 10 times as many erasers donated. How many erasers were donated? We have 50 divided by 10, or product, because we have 50 rules was given to Value Elementary School. The school had 10 times as many erasers donated. We can write 10 by 50 equal 500. 50 product by 10, the result will be here 500. Again, a donation of 50 rules was given to Value Elementary School. The school had 10 times as many erasers donated. In the number of erasers equal what? He asked me, or tell me in the example, the number of erasers is 10 times the number of rulers. 10 product by 50 equal 500. In the total erasers, it will be 500. So number 3, compare whole numbers. To compare between two numbers here, you must count numbers, digits in the numbers first. Like if we have 3,251 and 2,251, which greater? We have the same numbers of digits of the number 4 digits and 4 digits in 3 greater than 2. Okay. Look at with me, solve this example. Arctic submarine can drive to depth 26,000 feet. Which oceans can submarine explore all the way to the bottom? Solve this problem any way you choose. We have the width, and here this ocean about Atlantic and Indian Ocean and Pacific. We have the depths under the sea. Depths. Okay, we can here write which ocean least shallowest. Here we have the shallowest here will be Indian Ocean, because 23,326 is less than 35,000 less than 26. Then we must write in the ocean. Okay, he asked about the smallest number here. The deepest it will be what? This example. Okay, understood? Okay, we have question number 6 also first. Okay, first question number 6 and then going to next page. Question number 6. What can you say about three places? This number and this number. We have 3,000 here and the value digit 300. 3,000 equals 300 times 10. Okay, then you can write the answer here about question number 6. Look at here, this page here is the answer here. Okay, so the value of digit 3 in the thousandth place is 10 times as great as the value of the 3 in the number in hundredths place, because the value of digit 3 here, it will be 3,000, and 3,000 equal 10 product by 300. Okay, you can write the simple answer here. The value of the 3 in the thousand place is 10 times as great as the whole of the 3 in the hundredths place. Question number 7. Critical reasons. Mike says in 5,555 all the digits have the same value. Am I correct? No, because the value is 2 digits, it's different. Like 5 here lies in 5 in the ones, it will be 5, and like this we can write the expanded form of the number. Write 5 in the ones and 5 in the tens, and then 5 in the hundred, and also 5 in the thousandth place. The digits are all the same, but each digit has a different value, and the value of each 5 here is 10 times as great as the value of the 5 to its right. Okay, if you write 5 here, 5, the value of the digit 5 in the first, it will be 5, and 5 in the tens 50, and 5 in hundreds 500, 5 in thousandth place 5,000. So the simple answer, we can write the digits are the same, but each digit has a different value. The value of each 5 is 10 times as great as the value of 5 to right. Question number 8. In 1934, there was an extreme drop in Great Plains in the number 1934. If the value of the 9 in the hundredths place 10 times as great the value of 3 in tens place or not? No. Why? Because we can write the value of digit. Look at here, the answer here. Okay, simple answer here. Okay, write this answer. I will explain here. He asked about the value of digit what? The value of digit 9 in 100 place tens. 9 here lies in 100, it will be 900. The value of digit 9 here, it will be 900. Is the value of 9 in 100 series is 10 times as, asked me, is 10 times as the value of digit 3 in the tens. 3 lies in the tens here, be 30. True? No, not correct. Why not correct? Because the digits have the different. We must try the same. If we change number 9 to 3 or 3 to 9, it will be equivalent. But we have different digits. Then the digits have to be the same for the value of the digit on the left to be 10 times as great as the value of the digit on the right. Okay. Next question number 9. Then says in 4346, 1/4 is 10 times as great 4. Is V correct or no? Can you think about the example? We have the value of digit 4. Okay, here the value of digit 4 in the first will be 4000. Is 4000 equal the value of digit 4 here also 4 lies in the teens? Is it 10? No, not correct. The simple answer here, the 4 are not next to each other. We must write 4 in the teens and next in the left hand side 100 and teens or 1000 and 100. Not to choose the digit in thousands and digit in teens. It's not correct. It must product by 10 to move right hand side in the table to find the value. Like 400 times 10 equal 4000. And the 4 in the thousand place is 100 times as great as the number 4 in tens place. Okay, you can write no because the 4 are not next to each other, as the 4 in the thousand place is 100 times as great as 4 in the tens place. Next question, describe 2 ways to find the area. Here we know the area equal length times width, or you can count the squares inside it. We have here 4 product by 3. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3. 4 times 3 equal 12. Or you can count all squares we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 times 3 equal 12. Then the result will be 12 square units. Next question, number 11. In 448,244, how is the relation between the first pair of 4s the same the relationship between the second pair of 4? Okay, in both pairs, the value of the 4 on the left is 10 times as great as the 4 on the right. Like this, we have 48,244. The value of digit 4 here, it will be 400,000. It will be 10 product by the value of digit 4 to right hand side here. Value of 4 will be 40,000, and the value of digit 4 here, the value of digit 4, it will be 40, and 40 equal 10 product by the value of digit 4 here. Okay, understood? Brackets, which group? Tell me the value of digit 4 is a number. We have here 4 lies in 1000, will be 40,000, and 4 here lies in 1000, and 4 lies in 100. Then 4,000 and 40,000 and 400. Next question, which number is the value of red digit 10 times as great as the value of blue digit? Look at here, the value of z equal 10 times. In this example, he asked about the value of digit. Look at letter B here. He asked about the value of digit. We asked this question before. You remember? We must choose 2 digits relatively In 100 and 1000, he asked about the digit 10 times as great as the value of the blue digit, about red and blue. Again, in which number is the value of the red digit? Where is red digit? It will be 5 here, 5000 at letter B. And 5 is blue to be 500. Then 5000 equal 10 times 500. Choose letter B. خلاص? Okay, understood. Choose letter B. Next question. Now we will explain this question. Next page. Can you see this example? Practice. If you want to compare between two numbers here, we can compare between two numbers. It's very easy for you to solve. Okay, look at with me. To compare between two numbers, you must count 2 equal 2 and 6 equal 6, 4 equal 4, 3 equal 3. You must write equal 2. Next question. 62,000. Look at here. 62,519 and 64,582. Who can tell me 64 is greater than? So you must show less than sign. Look at right hand side. Okay. Next question. 218,701, 118,692, 218 greater than 118. 32,467, 32,467 they are equivalent, right? Equal to. All questions here, you can solve it by yourself. It's very easy for you to find the answer here. Comparing about two numbers, we have 5 digits, and 22,873 greater than 22,774. And question number 9, you can write equal to. And what about this question number 11? We can write this number in standard form. Convert this number from expanded form to standard form. Write 3 in the ones, 0 in the teens, 0 in the 100, 5 in the 1000, and 3 in the 10,000s, please. And also here 305,000. This number greater than or less than? Less than. We must choose this number because we have 6 digits here, but this here 5 digits only. Also this question you must put numbers as like this. 6 in the ones, teens we haven't, write 0, and 100 6, and 1000 write 2, and 10,000 it will be 4. The result will be 40,606. And we have here 10 and write 0 because we have it 100, and 3,000 and 4. Then the result will be 43,010. Then 42 less than 43. Okay. Next question. In this example, you want to write the place value of the digit. Here, Kumari asked about the number 328,234. Value of digit what? We have 10,000 here and so on. Okay, he asked the place comparing. You know, we know 3 equal 3, then 9 greater than 2. So we can combine between two numbers about this place. 10,000. Look at 10,000 different. And here 1,000 equals 1,000 please. 7 equals 7, 1 equals 1, and 6 and 4 which greater 6. So we can combine between two numbers by look at the ones. 12,217 or 12,000 or 11,246. Place here was different at 1,000 place. And this number different at what? Look at 100,000. The 1,000 place it's different. Okay. It was question number 50, page number 15. Okay, page number 16. Okay, page number 16. Now problem solving. Look at with me. Which genres at its pocket don't sell Peter? Look at this table here to find the solution. He want to combine between the books about I will clear it. Okay, write it to see the example in your book. Okay, information fiction and fantasy and biology, autobiography, science, humor. He asked about the better than science. Which better than science? Science here, the better than science. We can choose biography, greater than, or equal is a better than. Not still better than science. Not still better than science. Science was 41 at 843, and biography 41,834. So this number greater than. Okay, not better. He asked about not better. Okay, look at this word. It's not better. It's meaning less than science. Which here less than science we can choose biography here and humor 14,843. Okay, this number less than 41,843. So in this example he asked about what? Look at here, not better than science. We can write biography and humor. Question number 19. Which genres at Danish books sold better than biography? Better than. Look at here, better than. It's meaning more than about the salary. More than science, more than biography like science and fantasy and fiction. Okay, we must write this because all numbers here, salaries of Danish books greater than this number. He won't find here better than biography. Okay. Next question, number 20. Still about 3 bags of 4 hamburger beans and 3 bags of 8 hot dog beans. How many hamburger and hot dog beans did Tia buy? She have 3 bags. 3 times 4 equal 12, and also 3 times 8 equal 24, and then we can find the sum of them. First tips, we have the number of bags here, and each bag contains of 4 hamburger. Then 3 times 4 equal 12, then we have 12 hamburger, and we have 3 bags contains of 8 hot dog. Write 3 times 8. The result will be 24. Then we can add together 12 and 24 to find the total. 24 plus 12, it will be 36. Then the result here will be 36. Next question. Make sense and previous. Write 3 numbers for which you would use 200 place to compare this number. Okay. To compare this number, you must change what 100 place. Where 100 place? 7. You can change the 7 by write all the digits exactly. We have 35,712. We must change the digit here in the hundreds place. Write numbers more. You want to write 3 uses 200 like more than or less than as you like. Okay, you must change 7 lies here in 100 place. You can write 35,612 and 35,512 also, and you can write 35,412. Okay, you can write 3 solutions about this example. You can change what the hundreds place here. Understood? The answer. Ask about the digit which lies in 100 place. You can change it. Next question. ENVISION STEAM. This question is STEAM. Okay. The Renaissance stage began about 300,000 years ago. The Wallenstein stage began about 352,000 years ago. Compare 300,000 to 352,000. Which greater? It's an easy question. We know 352,000 greater than 300,000. Okay, my students. Understood? It's page number what? Page number 16. Okay. Now we'll solve questions number 23. An orchid in Mini has 5,287 apple trees. An orchid in Vermont has 5,729 trees. Use more than or less than to comparing between 2 numbers. We can comparing 5,287 less than 5,729. We have 5 lies in the thousands place equality and 2 less than 7. Okay. Next question. 24. 2010, the population of Alaska was 710,231. Write this number in expanded form and write the number name. For this question, we can write this number here. 7 lies in 100,000 will be 700,000, and 10,000 and 2 lies in 100 it will be 231. Number we have 710,231,000. And question number 25. Explain how you know 437,160 is greater than 43,716. We can combine it between two numbers by the place about hundreds. I can look at the number of the digit in each. The number with more digits, always that greater than. We have here 6 digits and we have 5 digits. It's very easy to combine about counting the number. So I can look at the number of digits. The number of digits in each. The number of first was 6 digits and the second was 5 digits. Then the number was more digits in always the greater number. Look at assessment practice here. True or false? Question to find the result here. True or false about this solution? We have 209 greater than 210. No, it's false. 59,546 less than 59,564. True or false? Yes, true, because here 4 less than 6 is a teens. 178,614 greater than 178,641. True or false? False, because here 6 equals 6 and 1 less than 4. You must change the sign. Next question. True or false? 111,009, 111,110. It's false, because we have 110 greater than this number. This number less than this number or not? It's false, because 28,000 is greater than 27 and 69,000 greater than this number. Of false, because we have here 4 and 4 and 5 and 5 and 4 and 5. Then 4 greater than 5 is false. Okay, my students, next question about the new lesson. Okay, next time I will explain this question about lesson number 4 next time, Bismillah. Okay, it's last question, page 17. Okay.